Hi you guys, here's a quick review on this TY Classic 1990 Jake the Brown Monkey plush. Last year in 2020, I did the white version, and that was a pretty cool one. So now let's do this one, the brown one. Anyways, there's the tag, there's the back of the tag. There he is like this. There he is up top. There he is like that. There's the hands, the feet, the fur. Here's the tush tag. And the back of the tush tag. The back reads, Tie Ink Copyright 1990. Come on, fur. PVC pellets. Handmade in Korea. 1990. There's the eyes. They're made out of plastic. There's the nose. There's the mouth. The ears. There's the ears. There's the tag again. There he is this side. The back. The other side. There's the top. Oh wait, I actually showed you the top. Here he is like this. And here he is like this. Here he is up top in a perfect angle. Just like that. Look at that. And then, let's go sit down. The bottom. Oh, there's the feet right there. Sweet. And there he is like that. Oh yeah, he even has eyebrows. So hairy and cute. And like that. And that's it. Alright guys, that's the quick review on this TY Classic 1990 Jake the Brown Monkey plush. Alright guys, bye.